In this video, I'm going to show you one of my most common requests, the rotted exterior door on the shed or closet. And here's the best solution, the residential grade flush steel door. They get a solid core door and the thing soaks up water and rots. Solid core door, has wood around the edge, and then it has this compressed wood product. This always happens to these. And people don't know what to do because oftentimes they're smaller. That's not 80 inches, that's about 60. So let's talk about the door that I recommend for these types of jobs. You want to get a residential grade steel door. Here's one at the Home Depot. This happens to be a 6-panel, and as you can see, the locks are already bored. I prefer to get a flush steel. It's the same type, but it's flat and it does not have the holes bored. But because they're the same type of manufacturing, I want to use this as an example to show you more about these doors. With these types of steel doors, whatever the listed width is, it's going to be 1/4 inch less. This 32-inch door, for example, is 31 3/4, and they aren't truly 80 inches tall. It's also important to know that the sides are wood, and they do leave you about 1/4 inch of protruding wood on each side, so you could shave this off. And even though these are steel, you can still cut them because it's only a steel skin. The interior is just injected foam, and it has this composite piece on the bottom, which is about 3/4 of an inch tall. Now again, Home Depot only stocks these in 32 and 36 and only with the 6-panel. If you want a flush door or something less than 32, it'll be a special order. Now for this job, I bought a flush door because his opening is only 60 inches. And if I cut a panel door to 60 inches, it would look horrible. And even though the wood strips on the side only protrude about 1/4 of an inch, they are 1.5 inches thick, so you can mortise your hinges and drill your locks just like a regular wood door. Whenever I'm cutting the bottom of a steel door, I always include a door bottom. And because there's no threshold, I don't need the rubber piece on there, but that'll protect the bottom of the door. Here it is.